This frame came out so much better than expected. Like, I actually wasn't expecting how good it was going to be, yeah. So I'll show you it right now, because it's right here. Right, so before we carry on with the rest of the video, yeah, can we just talk about how lame this frame is? Alright, so I'm at Worcester Powder Coating right now, and I've just picked up my C100 frame. It's come out a lot better than expected, but I'm going to go home now and then I'll show you a little better angle of it. Alright, yes people, it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to record yesterday, yeah, because I just went straight out, yeah. But right now I'm going to show you my custom C100 frame, which is over there. So yeah, let me just go get it. Alright, so here's my custom C100 frame. I got it in baby pink. So my plan for this, I'm getting a white C100 sticker kit, and for the front, I'm getting a collective logo, which is like custom to have JFYT clothing and stuff. So I'm changing this into a JFYT clothing C100, so I can use it just to promote the brand and stuff. So when that drops, yeah, you better just stay tuned for it. But yeah, I got this done at Worcester Powder Coating. I'll tag them right there. They did this in about 9 days, and it cost me 40 quid. So honestly, you can't go wrong, because look how much of a good job they did.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
So yeah, obviously you can see they did a really good job. Just before we get into the rest of the video, just make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for this whole video, because the bike actually comes out so much better than I think, and it is literally my dream bike, so watch to the end to see how the build goes. Alright, so it's a couple days later now. I'm just going outside because Owen's here and we're going to build up the C100. Hi Owen. Come inside, come inside, come inside. We are going to build it up now. He's just coming in now. Unfortunately, I don't have my bike stand. We don't need a bike stand. Alright, let's get into the building right now.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
Okay, so my phone is currently like lent on my front wheel. That's why you can't see the front wheel. We're about to start building. We're going to start the front end first. Second cup is on.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
Okay, this is how the bike's looking so far, yeah. And I'm not even capping to you all. Best C100 I've ever seen, yeah. Just wait until I get my sticker kit, which will be done on Saturday, which is in 2 days' time. Which I'll record then as well when I get it, and I'll put it on and everything. But me and Owen are just now putting on the brake, back wheel and the front wheel. We're not doing the gears now, because we're going to go look on Facebook if there's any cranks for sale. So I've got a bottom bracket, just no cranks. We're going to put the bars off the X1, the brake off the X1, and then we'll ride to Halfords, get a seat clamp. And then the bike is rideable, bro. I didn't even think it was going to be rideable today, because I haven't got any cranks. But luckily, we've got Facebook Marketplace in it, so it should pattern it. So I'll let you know what goes on about that. Alright, cool. Camera.
Yeah, to be fair, the different pink looks nice.
It's weird how it looks nice. I thought it was going to look...
I need this. Near the back wheel.
Oh yeah, I got
Keep that.
this one.
Do that one.
That's one bigger, isn't it?
This one bigger.
So it just started raining, yeah. But this is the bike right now from where we left off. So this is it right now. Nah, but this thing's looking buff though. Like, what are you thinking, Owen?
Grip tape.
Alright, yes, people. It's now like 2 days later since me and Owen started building. And look what just came. My beautiful Magura MT5. My Shimano Dior crankset. Grip tape. And my grips. Now my bars and bottom bracket don't come till tomorrow, so I can't build until tomorrow. So I'll catch you tomorrow when everything has come, and then I can actually finish building this beauty.
I'ma give you some best, I'ma add to you. Put on the avenue and I ain't never seen no one bad as you, money bad. Baby, I'm savage too. They can't disrespect you, I'll gladly shoot.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
I'm addicted to you and it's clear. Your body is hot, it's not too obvious. Okay, I like your confidence. Hold up, make a comment. It's okay, that's like a honey. Like a honey.
Oh, and I'm not even lying, you were in the shop a minute ago.
Well done.
They had you in cheese and onion flavour.
Alright, cool. Basically, it's the end of the video, yeah. My bike's done now. Lucas is on it.
Space Raider.
Lucas is on it.
Do you want me to do some stuff?
It came out quite well, I can't lie. Yeah.
Can't do it.
But I can't lie, the last bit I recorded was like a week ago. I went on holiday. But now we're out on it. And I'm going to slap a clip in on it because it's such a nice bike.
Can I say
So
goodbye?
here's the clip. And we'll see you in the next video. But Addie's going to say goodbye as well.
Goodbye, Jeff Whiting.
Oi, oi. Hello, Rudy. Yes, nice.
It's Crossfinger, baby.